So a couple things I really like about this knife. You can see kind of the textured feel on this side. Just has a nice look and feel to it. This other side, now there's only the two, well, I guess the three pieces if you include the blade, because when you open this, you'll see where there's a cutout right here. That is actually what's going to slide into place to then prevent the blade from closing. So kind of a cool design there. Now, when I first got this, and as I've looked, I think this is pretty common with new knives, this was pretty stiff. It was hard to get to open with just one hand. It's still a little bit challenging, to be honest. It's not super intuitive. Sometimes I can get it, sometimes I can't. But I put a little bit of lubricant inside of the joint there, and then also played with these screws just a little bit. I'm still not real clear though how that works, because I feel like if I twisted the one on this side, the one on that side would also twist. It was almost like they were just twisting together. I don't know if that actually made a difference or if it was just putting a little bit of lubrication there. But I really like the look, the feel, the design of the knife, the shape of the blade, the color of the blade and the handle. It's just a really nice knife. The clip is really nice. I did notice, interestingly, that it just has one screw there, and so I would think that maybe that would give it the opportunity to pivot, but it's been very sturdy the whole time I've had it and have been using it for the last couple of weeks. My one feedback, just as far as price, I think quality is excellent. As far as price, you definitely can get a knife for cheaper than that. I don't know that I feel like the look, the feel, the material justifies the price being that much more than something else comparable. But I do like it. It is a really nice knife. I hope this was helpful. If it was, I hope you'll consider subscribing below for more helpful videos and content. And liking this video helps other people to find it. If you have questions or comments, leave those below. I do read those and will respond to them as well. Thanks.